Hello beautiful people out there, this is again Johan from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So today in this video I'm gonna be giving you Toni Mahfud inspired blue water preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG, desktop Lightroom LRTEMPLATE and also the camera preset XMP. If you don't know, then you can just search on Instagram the Toni Mahfud blue color water. It's totally desaturated with kind of bluish violet kind of tint on the dark side of the blue color. So we're gonna be editing the photos just like this blue water. So I have created this preset for you guys for free, so you can just download it for free. So before getting to the video, kindly follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations and here are the preset. Now just right click on it and select extract here and make sure to update the WinRAR software to the latest version if you want to extract this file. Then only you will be able to extract. Now as you can see, you will open the folder, you will find FP Toni M Water Blue AVC 2020. Right now let me just, I have already installed the preset in my camera of Photoshop, so I'll just quickly show you how to apply the preset. So just go to the filter, select the camera filter and we're gonna be testing the preset. So just go to the preset tab and from here we're gonna be finding the FP Toni Mahfud inspired here, water blue, Toni M. So as you can see the difference, the magic is in front of you guys. Totally, this was the before and this is after, looking so perfect. The blue water and all the brown skin and the blue water desaturated, very perfect and a very exact similar tone just like Toni Mahfud. And I really do respect his creativity and the color effects, so kindly do follow him also on Instagram. Let me just quickly apply the preset to this photo. Go to the filter, select directly the camera filter and you will be able to apply the preset and you are done. As you can see before and after. Let me quickly show you to this. Go to the filter, select the camera filter and it will automatically select the previous adjustment of the color effect before and after. This is literally so freaking amazing preset guys. You should definitely use this in your water blue preset, or if you want to create amazing portrait color, you can definitely use. You can see the before and after. The color of the blue tone of the water is very exact just like Toni Mahfud, and the brown skin, that is all very similar. And this is literally so best part of this preset, and it literally took me so long time to create this preset. So I hope you have enjoyed this preset and video. If you enjoyed, then kindly smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download the premium collection of presets just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.